online tutorial, part number SSW55, part number SSW55, part number SSW10 for the terminal, and part number SSW8 for the seal. We're going to be using basic hand tools, your cutters or dikes, online crimp tool that you can purchase online. We're going to be using an alphabetical index of this crimp tool for the tool dies A, B, C, D, and E, and our strippers. Go ahead and strip off about 1/8 of an inch of insulation. Place on your seal and place your terminal straight underneath it. Start in C. Actually start in D. In D. Then go to E. For the secondary, do A, and that's fine for your secondary. And follow up again for your last crimp. Just crimp the back end of E just a little bit. Crimp with E. 5-pound pull test. Locate the top section of your ESC connector, part number 55. Slide your terminal in till it locks, and you're done. If you want to remove this terminal, go ahead and purchase one of our blue terminal tools. Locate the little top hat section of the connector. Place your terminal tool in, work it down, remove it, pull out the back side, and you're done.